Hi guys, welcome back. Um, Today we analyze the chart, live chart, and it's gold and Bitcoin and forex. First of all, we gonna see the gold. Yeah, already I draw this supply and demand areas, and right now I think I can go to delete all things, and I can draw the new high and new low. This is the new high, this is the new low, and I draw the supply area, recent supply area. I think right here, this area, this is the recent supply area. Yes, this area is the recent supply area, and I see the trend line here. Yeah, this trend line already resist two times. I think this gold will uptrend already. It will take some consolidation. It's take some time to break up. We can hold for gold in buy. Wait for the momentum breakout. This is the one of the trend line breakout. Then we can go to enter the long position. It's take some retracement, then go to this level. Otherwise it will same consolidation in downside. Ultimately it's a break upside only. We can wait and watch on the gold, and this is the lower point and that is a higher point. That's why I'm saying it's gold is buy trend. It will go upside only, and the second target is this area. Just a minute. Okay, the second target and this area, this is the second target. I expected nifty gold, it's moving higher and higher. It's last low bottom already done, then it will move higher and high. My guess was it's move further upside only. Wait to watch to break out, then go to enter. Okay, already we hold the buy position. Hold on, it will break upside only. Wait for the momentum breakout. Okay, and I delete this previous things. Okay, okay. Next we gonna see the Bitcoin. Where is the Bitcoin? Already you can capture this same way, like this and like this. It's moving higher and high, and finally it's done the higher level. My guess was like this. You can capture this screen and wait for the momentum breakup. It will broke the trend line, then you can take enter in long position. It's you can follow the ratio 1:1.5. It's good for a trade. It only it's a breakout, then go to long entry like this. It's give you, it's 1:1.5. Then we gonna see the Bitcoin. Already I draw the previous supply and demands levels. We can use right now also, and we have see the trend line breakout. It's moving on the supply area. My guess was it take some time to consolidate, then break upside only. My guess was is right, means is break upside, then go further upside like this. Otherwise it come down this supply area, then it will move on higher. Okay, demand area is little possibilities, but supply area broken, it's higher possibilities to move higher for a Bitcoin. Okay, Already I draw the supply and demand area. Already the broke the trend line. I can enter already. I made a little bit profit. My guess was next retracement come, that's 33 levels. Then only I take next entry. Otherwise it will broken upside and take some time to retracement. Then I go to enter. The two choice I have for Bitcoin. This is my plan to execute the order. Whenever I enter to the long position or short position, I follow the risk management for 1:1.5 above the range. I will follow. And the second choice is here. It will take some breakout, then come to retracement, then go to enter the long position. I follow the ratio base. Sorry for the okay, that's fine. The two choice I have to execute the long position, wait for a momentum breakout. And this is the USD CAD already. It's a buy trend, and it's last 1 or 2 days take some consolidation for a bottom area of trend line. It shows the buy trend, but wait for a consolidation breakout, then only you can go to enter the long position, open the position. That's it for